How to select the blank cells in a table? If you are having many blank cells and you need to highlight these cells in a data when you are working on a data, so there's a way to select all these blank cells or highlight these blank cells. Step 1: select all the cells in the table. Then press F5. This will go pop up a go to menu. Select special. In that you can see blank, a blank. Click that blanks and click OK. This option will help you to select all the blank cells. So now you need to highlight these blank cells. Just go to full color, give a color. Now all the blank cells has been filled with the color. Such a way you can even insert a text or paste a number or anything. Example, if you want to paste not applicable, copy that, select all the cells as the previous process, UF5, go to special, then click blanks and OK. Now just paste Control plus V. So now all the blank cells has been given NA. So such a way you can insert any numbers or any conditions you want to give, any colors, whatever you can do, you can use this way.